Your competitor just hired a $50K designer. You don't need to. These spy-free AI tools let you create professional graphics in minutes, not days. Professional design costs thousands monthly. AI graphic tools eliminate that expense entirely. You get instant results, unlimited revisions, and zero learning curve. These aren't amateur tools. Businesses generating six figures use them daily to create landing pages, ads, social posts, and presentations. Time saved equals money earned. Canva's free tier includes AI image generation, 10K plus templates, and drag and drop simplicity. Figma offers collaborative design with AI features perfect for teams. Both tools integrate seamlessly into workflows. Canva dominates social media, Figma handles complex projects. Start with whichever matches your primary need. Looka generates AI logos instantly. Remove.bg handles background removal perfectly. DreamStudio creates custom images from text prompts. Piktochart turns data into stunning infographics. Each tool solves one specific problem exceptionally well. Combining these 5 creates a complete design system that costs nothing but saves your team 20+ hours monthly. Pick one tool today. Canva if you're unsure. Create one social post or ad using AI features. Notice how fast it is. Next week, integrate a second tool. Track time saved. Calculate your hourly rate multiplied by hours recovered. This is real money. Systematizing design frees you to focus on strategy. Comment below which design task frustrates you most. Hit subscribe to get weekly AI business strategies that